Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video guys. According to the Sunday World, controversial blogger MUSA khawula was arrested in a Western Cape court after appearing on a murder charge. The arrest was made at the Vredenburg Magistrate Court last Tuesday, where he was charged with murder. After the appearance, the sheriff of the court arrived in court. He informed the court that he had a warrant of arrest for khawula for a civil case in Gauteng. Khawula made damning allegations against Mbalula, the wife of ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula, and her business partner Michelle Peru in May. The pair obtained an interdict against khawula following the allegations he made on social media platforms Twitter. Khawula alleged that Mbalula and Peru paid a bribe to secure government tenders worth 150 million rands between 2013 and 2019, you guys. Court documents shared on Twitter by Fikile Mbalula revealed that khawula had been ordered to pay damages to the applicants. He is also ordered to cover the legal cost of the application. The blogger is to also remove the defamatory statement from his Twitter feed. This he must do within 48 hours of the order being granted. Khawula was also ordered to pay 1 million rands in damages to Mbalula and Peru, but he took to his Twitter account and said he did not have that kind of money. The NPA Western Cape spokesperson Erika Ndabazalila confirmed the matter. He said khawula was arrested at the Vredenburg Magistrate Court. His murder case was remanded to August 7th, 2024 for judicial review. Ndabazalila said khawula has been in court for the murder case of Fikile Mbalula. Sunday World reported in August 2022 that the girlfriend of Mbalula's witness Javta said on March the 4th, 2022, khawula rocked up at a residence in Vredenburg on the west coast at about 5 p.m. and demanded to see Mbalula. Mbalula refused to speak to him, and he said he was not interested in what he wanted to say because he was not interested in him romantically. I then asked him to go and speak outside because there were other people in the house, said Javta. The pair went out, and in less than 5 seconds, Javta heard people screaming, "Don't stab him." When I checked to see what was happening outside, I saw khawula running after Mbalula with a big knife and stabbing him. He fell in front of my brother's bike. I then asked one of my friends to go and try to stop what was happening. He stabbed him in the chest and at the back. Well, there you have it guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comments section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Guys, thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. Bye.